That's that quick open and close on the hi-hat. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We're back at the Broken Down Kit and we're talking about drum sounds. Over the past couple weeks we've been working on our hi-hat with closed and open sounds. Today we're combining them into HiHat Barks. So HiHat Barks, for those of you guys who don't know, that's that quick open and close on the hi-hat. Here it is in a groove. Super fun, super cool tool to have in your toolbox. The first thing you want to practice for getting this comfortable is just opening and closing your hi-hat with your left foot. Making that feel nice and comfortable. You can do it heel up or heel down and you're like rolling through with your toes. I tend to do heel up, I just feel a little bit more balanced. The next thing to practice is as you're bringing the hi-hat up, you're bringing your right hand down. It's this kind of opposing motion. You want to get comfortable with that and make that feel good, then you can start to incorporate it into grooves. Try it out, and I'll see you guys next week.